AirWatch Secure Content Locker enables secure mobile access to content anytime, anywhere. It's designed to address enterprise content collaboration requirements by giving executives the visibility they need, IT the security they require, and employees the access and freedom they demand. Users can access content from the Secure Content Locker mobile application, available for Apple, Android, and Windows devices, the desktop client, or the web portal. AirWatch Secure Content Locker is a single solution for accessing all your corporate data, whether it's in an existing repository, on-premise, or in the cloud. Natively view Office documents, PDFs, audio and video files, and more. Let's walk through a scenario where John is a sales representative at Acme Enterprises to show you how Secure Content Locker keeps him productive on the road. The built-in smart views allow him to easily access featured content set by content administrators and documents he has marked as favorites. Here, you can see John can easily move between multiple documents. While in a client meeting, John uses presentation mode with automatic Chromecast and AirPlay detection to present to his client. In full screen mode, he's able to use the pointer feature to highlight key points. After a successful meeting, John finalizes the client quote on his device. To minimize security threats, IT can apply watermarks to sensitive documents, as seen here on John's quote. Watermarks can include an employee's name, email address, or other dynamic text across all pages of the document. Additional settings can restrict content from being printed, emailed, or opened in third-party apps. Making revisions to documents is simple. File editing and annotation is available for all Office documents and PDFs, so before heading into the office, John can make a quick change to the sales proposal and instantly share with his manager to review. Arriving at the office, John accesses his content from the web-based AirWatch self-service portal. Similar to the mobile application, he's able to add, manage, and share his personal content alongside his corporate files. And with AirWatch Sync desktop client, he can be assured that all content is synchronized between his mobile devices and his desktop. Social capabilities enable commenting on files, as well as the use of tags to immediately notify mentioned colleagues via email or on-screen notifications. Here, John realizes that he should notify his manager that he needs his proposal document reviewed. The live activity feed gives John an easy way to review recent actions taken, including updated or newly created files, deleted folders, renamed documents, and more. John receives a notification of a new comment made by his manager approving their proposal. Eager to close the deal, John relies on Outlook integration with Secure Content Locker to share the proposal with his prospective client. While attaching the proposal using the plugin, the same AirWatch security restrictions are still accessible. John can require a passcode for file access, set a limit to the number of days the document is available, and specify a maximum number of document downloads. As you can see, a secure HTML link is embedded directly into the body of the email. Now that John successfully sent off the proposal, let's switch to the AirWatch admin console where John's marketing director and IT manager get valuable insights and management capabilities. For example, John's marketing director is interested in understanding the adoption and usage of marketing materials. Being able to easily identify the most viewed content or the percentage of sales employees missing the latest document versions is essential. On the other hand, the IT manager is more interested in tracking storage limits, user adoption of personal content repositories, and number of employees missing required documents. Content administrators can set policies at the repository, folder, or file level. Here, the marketing director realizes she needs to upload the next quarter's pricing sheet. File level settings enable her to configure security and sharing capabilities, document assignment, and deployment method. For this pricing document, she requires automatic download of her Wi-Fi to save on data costs, and sets effective date to the start of the quarter. Administrators can rest easy that sensitive corporate data is secure once published because of built-in AES 256-bit FIPS 140-2 encryption, protecting data in transit, in use, and at rest. Administrators can also apply additional security through flexible user authentication, DLP policies, and network access control. And delegated administration through AirWatch's role-based access ensures content administrators only have access to the content they are responsible for. Administrators can also provide users with access to existing corporate content repositories, as they are automatically pushed down to user devices upon enrollment. Secure Content Locker integrates with over 30 types of file systems, including SharePoint, network file shares, OneDrive, and Google Drive to name a few. Through AirWatch reporting, administrators can take advantage of complete audit trails for files and user activities. Reports may be generated to reflect user, device, or group actions. Real-time analytics show how many times a file is opened, which users have a file downloaded, and how long files remain open, and more. With branding capabilities for the applications and console, you can ensure a consistent experience for your business. And support for 17 languages localizes the user experience for your employees all around the world. These are just some of the great features that make AirWatch Secure Content Locker the best content collaboration tool for your business needs.